Hi guys, today we are having an amazing topic on how brain works and the function of the six lobes. So let's start. This is a very interesting topic in biology science. So let's start. What is the brain? The brain is a complex organ that controls through memory, emotions, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and every process that regulates our body together. The brain and spinal cord that extends from it make up a central nervous system of CNS or CNS. You can call it in a short form CNS. So, as it was given here, the complex organ that controls memory, emotions, this is all similar to the lobe. So we'll go afterwards to the lobes. We'll continue this. What is the brain made of? Weighing about 3 pounds in the average adult. The brain is about 60% fat. The remaining 40% is a combination of water, protein, carbohydrates, and salt. The brain itself is not a muscle. It contains blood vessels and nerves, include neurons and glial cells. If you can see at the right side, as this the brain itself is not a muscle, it contains blood vessels and nerves, including neurons and glial cells. So in the right side there is a picture given. So this is the picture in real life. How the brain looks. So this is it is made up of. How does it really work? The brain sends and receives chemical and electrical signals throughout the body. Some messages are kept within the brain, while others are relayed through the spine and across the body's vast network of nerves to distant extremities. To do this, the central nervous system, which is also called as CNS, release on billions of nerve cells. Now let's go to the six lobes, which gives representation about what does it stands for. So when you look at the right side, when you look at the picture, there are six colors given here. Four colors, sorry. Yeah, red, yellow, blue, green. Basically, first is frontal lobe. Frontal lobe is thinking, memory, behavior, and movement. So, from frontal lobe, your thinking starts about your memory, whatever you learn or do something, the memory and the behavior. So, this is all about thinking, frontal lobe. Second, temporal lobe. Temporal lobe is about hearing, learning, and feelings. So, whatever you hear or whatever you feel when you touch with your hands, this is all about temporal lobe. The brain stem, it is about breathing, heart rate, and temperature. Brain stem is about breathing, how you breathe, and all about breathing and the heart rate. It is connected to the downside body. Next, parietal lobe. It is about language and touch. So whatever we speak with our mouth, the language, the the signal given by the brain as a language, and touch, like whatever you touch. So that is parietal lobe. Occipital lobe is a eyesight. It is more connected to the eyesight. So that's why it is called as occipital lobe. And the last is cerebellum. So cerebellum is called by balancing and coordination. Whatever it is from your mind, balancing about something, or it is about coordination which your brain gives. That's called a cerebellum. So one more picture is there to refer how the brain looks from, like, this is the human face, and this is the brain. So we I hope that you have understood about how brain works and how's the function of the six lobes and what is brain made up of, all the information of brain. So thank you.